Hi everyone, today it's Tuesday, April 18th, 2023. It's been quite a quiet day today. I just did some video editing and also tidying up some folders, and I also uploaded finally the build instruction video for the die shell. They are now on Cardtapult's 3D page, and yeah, so now whoever downloaded it can follow both videos to also finalize the assembly of the dice pistol. A short while ago, after I finished editing and uploading everything, I made some scribbles of, you know, the upcoming dice blunderbuss, and I was thinking to create it a bit more like this type of door from blunderbuss. You know, like I think I saw some of it from Warhammer 40k, or wait, maybe it's from Warhammer Total War. The dwarven race there had a really particular looking blunderbuss. The barrel is not cylinder, it's more like a hexagonal shape, which kind of follows the design of my dice pistol, and I think I'm gonna keep that as well. So this is what I think gonna be look like, kind of like mix and match from different reference that I got from the internet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a longer stock so that it has like the shoulder rest, or you know, keep it short so that it's just like a pistol. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I also saw some really cool image of it's called an axe gun, so it's actually like a blunderbuss with a bit more straight grip, and at the end, instead of a bayonet or blade, it has like a huge war axe, which is pretty cool. So after I'm happy with the mechanism and get everything working, maybe I'll create you know, like an expansion to include more stuff onto that. But for now, I'm quite happy with this design, and since I already have the mechanism for this working, so I think I'm just gonna repurpose the mechanism from this and just change the, you know, the design of the gun. What I'm still considering is actually whether I should include this trigger or not, because technically a blunderbuss is not I don't know what it's called, like a trigger. It doesn't have like a trigger mechanism such as this. I think it was because back then they used this flintlock where you put a brimstone or a fuse at the end of the trigger, and it ignites the black powder. But I think for that, the only thing with that, I just don't really like how clunky it looks, and I think it will not be, I don't know, it will, I mean, I'm not a big fan of adding something that looks functional but it actually just like an ornament. So if I really want to add this type of a flintlock mechanism, I need to somehow put something into that, whether I replace this trigger and put it on the side, but then again, it's not really what it's supposed to be. So I think I'm just gonna keep this trigger there in the middle, and yeah, so that's my plan. I already got some design that I already got some, what did I want to say again? I already got a new file on my Tinkercad, basically a duplicate from the flare gun. I just deleted the body parts, but keep the mechanism there. I think I also kept the handle there because yeah, I really like the handle from the flare gun, so I'm just gonna move it a bit up. So that's the plan. Yeah, really looking forward to have it, to finish it and print it. I also ordered another space gray filament because that filament runs out really quick. I use it almost for all of my project, from the Cardtapult, Pocket Dungeon obviously, and now Dice Pistol. They're all using the space gray one. Ordered that, and also I ordered another filament in a wooden color for the stock and for the grip. I think it will arrive tomorrow, and hopefully by tomorrow I also already got some 3D models that I can print. Also today I messed around a bit with the dice shell because I still want to see if I can fit this like D20, this like 18mm into this. I mean, if I use the arms number 0, it sort of work, you know, with a bit of, you know, if you push it gently and make sure it actually holds, but a slight tap will, you know, remove the dice. So I think there is no way around it. Either I need to make the whole shell bigger, which is quite impossible now because I almost use up all the outer wall and the inner wall from the shell. I cannot make it even bigger because, you know, it will be too thin unless I move around the mechanism again, especially the arms a bit further. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe it should just, you know, it should be just for smaller dice. The thing here is, I was quite happy when I tried because, you know, actually holds, but then when you try, as soon as you insert it to the gun, like 9 out of 10 it will fall off from the movement. Now it holds, but normally it will not. So yeah, I think I wouldn't risk it, and I will just like keep it for like a smaller dice for now. Also on top of that, I start getting comments on some videos on my YouTube channel, and one that is particularly interesting and really cool. Someone commented on my Cardtapult videos, and this person really gives a thorough pointers, some recommendation about like whether I should use a pinhole system, like a filament pinhole system, instead of like this type of like a printed latch that can break off at some point, or whether I want to add more class such as healer. He said the idea is pretty cool actually. So what's written there, basically if a healer is basically like this, but instead of shooting the dice into instead of shooting dice towards the opponents, excuse me, healers throw a dice to, you know, their other teammates to heal. So if the dice hits, it hits, which is really cool. But for that, I think the question is, where should I position the healer? Because so far now it always like stands side by side in a row like this. But then if there is a healer, then it needs to, you know, sit quite further back so that it can aim for the other monsters from the same team. But really interesting ideas there. And this person also already had the same idea about creating monsters that can shoot multiple dices. That's basically my, you know, that's basically my, I even forgot the name. It's been a while since I messed with this. Let me see. So I got this one, a Carcino, where with one arm, Cardtapult's arm, it shoots 2 dice at the same time. And obviously I still have the barrel gun with 3 tails that can shoot 3 dice separately. So yeah, I mean, really happy that someone's really interested in that project and really give a nice pointers, a thorough pointers and nice question, some ideas there. I think it's also a sign that I need to finish this up soon, because I've been pushing this project for a while now. I still have, even have the video that I haven't posted for a while about this. I mean, you know, I still haven't posted about the box and everything, so yeah, I just need to, I need to start doing this. But yeah, that's it for today. I think I'm gonna call it a day for now, and yeah, I will start fresh tomorrow morning. And hopefully by tomorrow evening I already have some 3D models for the dice blunderbuss that I can print tomorrow night. Yeah, so that's the update for today. See you tomorrow.